Hi everyone and welcome to another one of my shows, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Please help me help children all around. And I'm doing this video take of a popcorn machine. I've had it since, but why not give it a try? So we're going to prop in some popcorn today. Let's get right to that. Alright, the popcorn, it's a popcorn hot air corn propper. And remember that this is the ear props the corn, and we're going to demonstrate that shortly. Okay, this is our basin that we will have to put here when the popcorn comes out. This is where the popcorn goes. Right in here, and this is where the butter goes. This is the cover that directs the popcorn into the basin. Okay, let's do that right about now. Okay, basically it's all about the heat. It's all about the heat. The heat demonstrates the corns to prop in them. Okay, this is the corn. You can use any corn you like, whether the pack one or the store one, any one you like, any popcorn at all, it will work. And this is now, as you can see, the popcorn is spinning inside. That's the corn you're spinning. This is where the corn comes from. Okay everyone, as you can see, it's propping. You can see that it has it props a lot of corn at once. Yes, and let me show you inside of it. It props a lot of corn at once. That's inside of it. Propping corn. That's a lot of corn coming down all at once. All at once. Look at that. Would you just look at that? So don't forget to like and subscribe. Help me help our future children. And don't forget to hit that notification bell right there. That smells nice. This is just add a little. That smells good. I will show you right now. So what I'm gonna do with this corn when I'm finished with it, when I'm finished popping it, I wanna help look for homeless people, children on the streets, and I give these things to them. You'll see more video with that, so don't forget. We don't just do this for ourselves, we do this to help people. And your phone is behind that with some nice and greasy cheese. You guys have ate cheese and popcorn? Come behind that with some cheese. That's nice. And so that's it for a video, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, help me help others, help homeless, not homeless, help us help the people in our communities. Love. Hi everybody, I've recently uploaded a video of me making popcorn. I just wanted to go like and share that comment, and I wanted to meet my little video girl that shoot my video today. She's the one that shot my video today. Say hi. What's her name? Jelly. Okay, her name is Jellique, and just remember, she's the one that shot my video today. Children are the future. Help me help them.